Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's ya boy, Rex Ram, although I don't have the actual names Rex Ram here, because, like I said, today is going to be the 22 sub special, and let's keep it this way. So if you're watching this and you're already subscribed, please don't. If you're watching this for being new, please subscribe. Up, no down, okay? Great. So, also, if you don't subscribe, you're gonna get, in the middle of your night, when you're sleeping, you're gonna get doused with a giant bucket of slime. Kind of what we're doing today. So yeah, if you haven't read the title, what we're going to be doing today is 22 subscriber special, so I'm going to be dumping a bucket of slime on my head. So that's going to be amazing. Not really, but you know. So yeah, that's going to be amazing. And so yeah, let's get into it. Here I am. This is the bucket. Not really, I mean, but I'm going to be filling this with mud, grass, water, and just splashing it probably back here so I don't get my camera. So yeah, I'll see you once I get all the stuff. I got a bunch of dirt here. Yeah, I think you can see that. That's gonna be how much dirt's gonna be in here. Now I'm gonna go gather some grass. A bunch of grass in here. You guys can see that, yeah. There's probably a trillion bugs in this. Oh yeah, by the way, did you know that in your eyebrows, there's about 3,000 bugs. I'm disgusted. Cup. I think this is good. Oh. Hold on, guys. I think you can see this. I have to stick my hand in this to stir all the mud around to make it become mud. I don't know if the dirt... God, I got it all over me. And it's wet. I made sure it's cold. Don't worry. Okay. This is very muddy water. The grass is going to be disgusting. And going to get everywhere. I don't know if I want all the pebbles and junk in this. I guess I could try to get all the pebbles and junk out. I feel like there's clearly some rocks in here that... Dang, I shouldn't be getting this on the porch. Nope. There's definitely some rocks in here that I don't really particularly want to hit my head. It looks like a swamp. This is disgusting. If I just take this cup and just get some of the water out of here, I could mess this all up. No, I'm not doing this. Well, the grass is gonna be disgusting. That's all I know. I'm gonna try to get all this sand out. See you back when I get it all out. Okay, guys, after a lot of thought, I've realized this is a terrible idea. I'm still gonna do it. So yeah, oh god, this is actually really heavy. I made a dirt swamp thing out of all the dirt that was in there. It is disgusting. I took the grass out, so there's still some grass. I'm gonna mix it up in there. Ugh. I'm gonna go put this in the lawn right now. Oh god, this is like weights. This is really hard. It's really stuck. Well, this shirt's already ruined. But I'm gonna go inside and wash my hands. Guys, are you ready to watch somebody get disgustingly wet? Yeah, you probably are. I'm not, though. Before we dump this on my head, I'm actually gonna get some more water for it. I got the necessaries: towel, a hat. This is Mr. Teddy Bear Guy hat. He's just a hat. He doesn't have a name. He's going to be doing a noble service and protecting my head. Does anybody else feel like they're not throw up? Maybe it's just me. Are you guys ready? You better like and subscribe. I swear if you don't. 3, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. No, you know what? I'm going to dump this on my head, and right when I do, you're liking and subscribing. If you don't, let's get right into it. Just gonna do it. You know, it's like just sticking your hand on the oven. You're just gonna do it. Don't want to. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Ah! That barely got everywhere. All of it legit splashed on the ground. 2, 1. Ah! 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 You better like and subscribe right now. I'm gonna go grab my towel. Whew. Oh my god, I feel so sandy. Like sandy cheeks. Ugh. Expect that to go differently. Like and subscribe right now. That was so cold.